Amazing. Okay.
I'm not gonna die? Okay.
I don't think so.
Not today?
Not today's Monday. No, you're good. Perfect. You're doing amazing. Just let it go. Boom.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
Good? Okay, now we'll do the other side. Tilt, 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 tilt.
Whoa.
Okay?
Yeah, that was insane.
Good. So now we'll do bend this top knee.
Okay.
Perfect. That goes there. Perfect. You just relax your shoulder back. Good. Not too bad there. Same thing other side. Good. Good. Perfect. Now all you gotta do is relax your shoulder back. Go, go, go. Boom. Easy,
Wow.
right? Take a deep breath in. Let it all out. There it goes. So those are good now.